Hey, good morning. Good morning, JFix. Good morning. Andrei Nața. Good morning, guys. Let's have a coffee. Garajul Valley Nața. Electorul Nața. Valentin Nața. Maurice, good morning. Mr. Mario Nața. Jeffrey, good morning. Morning, everyone. Sunday morning. Let's have a coffee together. Sarmat, good morning. Colleague, good morning. Good morning, guys. How is everyone? How was your week? Pablo, good morning. Buenos dias. No name. Hello. PC, good morning. George, nu, lasă-mă te rog frumos nu vreau să deschid subiectul ăsta. No. Good morning. Ken, good morning. It's a rainy weekend here in Istanbul. Here is fine. It's like nice weather. 22 degrees, proper nice weather. Not much easy pizza lately. I mean, it is what it is. Not always we have easy pizza. Good morning from Germany. Good morning. Cyprus. Good morning. Morning, guys. The weather today is like cloudy. Yeah. When we are getting a love repair, sorry, what kind of love repair? I have no problem with my love. No, my love doesn't have to be repaired. Morning from India. Good morning. Greece, Belgium. Sepri. Good morning. Morning, guys. Ubiquiti Microtik. You know, on the past, I work with both Ubiquiti and Microtik. Ubiquiti, I was buying for Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi network, and Microtik to manage the traffic. I mean, both are like affordable, good network tools. Because I seen your use and I'm watching your videos. Where do you inject voltage to see with the thermal camera? Inject voltage where do you need? Yeah, where there is a power rail and you want to see what is going on in that power rail. But for that, you have to recognize there is a power rail. So depends what you want to see. What power rail did you identify? Live repair. Okay, I understand. Not really live repairs. You will see my dark side because many times I'm getting like pissed off, and usually I'm getting pissed off on myself because of my limitations. And yeah, you'll have a different opinion about me. DC repair, yeah, definitely go and make a coffee. I need my TV repair. Can I send it from USA to UK? I made a loud pop and stopped working. Unknown color. That's very simple. Yeah, you go on eBay, You search for the power supply board, you replace the power supply board, and fix your TV, and definitely it's worth. Usually a TV board, a power supply board is what, like 20 to 30 pound dollars. So yeah. How do you recognize if the AC chip, IO chip software is faulty? I made a video, like you remember, like 3 days ago with that EC chip firmware issue. You've seen that video. Ken, good morning. What do you think about Nordrich fix rude comment? Which one? He comments something rude about me? Jaroslav, good morning. Silvio Nansa. Yeah, Bogdan. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I know. The problem is I cannot. I'm not. I'm not getting like satisfaction swearing only on one language. So I'm swearing on both languages just to be sure I'm covering every swearing. Don't have a good morning. PC, when? Again? I mean, again? I done nothing. Valentin nu pot. Nu, 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 nici nu vreau să deschid subiectul, înțelegi? Nu. Nu vreau să deschid subiectul. E incredibil ce se întâmplă, e inuman. Morning, guys. Tom de John, good morning. So how is everyone? What everyone is doing? What problems do you have? Can I help you with anything? Sinisa, good morning. Last week, this week, I upload like every day one video. Can you help me fix my dishwasher? Probably not. What comment? Good morning. Morning, guys. So any questions about the repairs from this week? I've seen a lot of comments with different opinions about some of my repairs. If you have any questions, just let me know. Dutch Min, good morning from Germany. Good morning. Jaroslav, good morning. On the video you posted yesterday, you said you... Yeah, I know, but If you can't see, but I can see the ratio like dislikes. And on the video doing this kind of stuff, there are a lot of dislikes. Zoltan, salutări din Transilvania, salut. Morning, guys. Paulo, good morning. It's just, it's just bad. Adrian, salut. Edward, salut. Nu vreau să deschid subiectul. Nu discutăm despre votare. Nu. Eu nu înțeleg cum... Înțelegi? Da, nu discutăm. Sarmat, a few days ago, I repaired my friend's JBL flip speaker. Of course, using the info I learned from your videos. I'm happy to help. I have a laptop with a short onboard RAM. You know what? The onboard RAM cannot really get shorted. Can get shorted if the power supplying power to the RAM gets shorted. But in the moment that power supply is getting shorted, one of the power rails from the RAM also is going to the CPU. So I believe most likely you have there a dead CPU if the RAM is shorted. But that's my opinion. Morning, sir, from Vietnam. Good morning. Sorry, do you not fix speakers anymore? I will fix speakers if I have jobs, like speaker jobs, but I have nothing. I mean, people are not sending speaker jobs. No. Morning from California, good morning. Cristian, Nața din Constanța. Nața. Morning, guys. So what we are doing? I was looking to show you something, but I forgot what. Sorry, why you don't fix iPhones anymore? iPhones don't really worth to be repaired anymore. So I stopped fixing iPhones. Because the old models got cheaper. Then the new ones, they don't really get faulty. So in order to separate the boards, you need time, and you have to take the risk. I mean, if I'm spending time separating the boards, and if I cannot fix it, I lost time. So it's not really worth. Not sure how many people they are doing iPhone repairs. For data recovery, yeah, it is worth. But like normal repairs, probably not. At least not here. What happened? We say hello to my little friend? Yeah, people are funny about that. I mean, there's no reason to use pliers when I can use hot air. Yeah, definitely we can use B7000 glue to stick the phone battery. I used it before. You can stick the back cover, the battery, whatever. Any advice how to keep the workshop clean? No, I can't. I mean, my desk is a mess. Diana made clean here like last week. She cleaned the desk. She put all the tools on a box, but yeah, I have no No good way to keep the desk clean. I've read it too. Good morning. Hello. Kali, good morning. Good morning, guys. From Sri Lanka, good morning. I think it's interesting to have Diana in live. Yeah, it's interesting when you have someone sharing same passion. I mean, with Diana, we worked together. We worked before. I mean, we met together at work, and she loves like doing like phone repairs and laptops and stuff. Yeah. Ken. Oh, but that's an old video. Ken, that's an old video. I know that one. Yeah, I know that one. Claudio, good morning. It's an old video. So sorry. When you will play ham radios, not sure for ham. You are waiting for the retirement when you retire and you are doing your hobbies. That's what I'm waiting for. Because at some point, I want to do ham radio every day. I want to have a YouTube channel with ham radio. Yeah. Are you gonna retire like everyone on some point? Probably not. Probably not because you can't stop doing electronics when it's part of your life. It's not like the other job. You are doing the job for money, but I can't even call job because I like it. So if you like it, you can't call it job. Will you dye your hair? No. No. Hassan, no. Don't be ashamed about your age. My wife now telling me I'm old. Yeah, your wife is old probably. You can dye your hair when she will not use it will stop using makeup. What about that? Huh? It's a fair deal. Judd, good morning. Have you received any laptop with a TPM not detected issue? Yeah, I got an email last week from a gentleman with a Chromebook with TPM error. And I didn't took the job because I don't know how to fix it. Mice just wants to irritate me. That's the purpose of the wives. Yeah. Maria Nasa. Hey, grab a coffee, guys. I checked yesterday because was we were speaking about retirement. I checked on the HMRC website, and basically I need 16 more years to pay my contribution to have um, to have my pension. Yeah, Mirex, nu votez. Nu, sunt ok. Nu, clar, oamenii care trebuie să nu ajung să candideze la președinție. Nu. E pierdere de vreme. PC, I got TPM error after chipset replacement. Not sure. For some reason, your chipset cannot reach the TPM. Any cool radio projects in the works? Only the radio from the last week. I clean it of dust. But for me, it looks like a burn transformer, but I have to check. Standby hum in my audio amplifier. You know, a standby hum is not only because of the capacitor. You can have like a high idle current on the transistor, on the final transistor from the amplifier. That can cause, but that you can check. If the heatsink is getting hot without music, that's the reason why you have that hum. Bister, good morning. Emmy Clean, who is doing it on Discord and how much it costs? It's free. You have to post on the BIOS, on the BIOS section. And if someone has time, it will do an Emmy Clean for you. Where can I buy? Like your programmer is what project with the adapter? Jeffrey, I bought the programmer from some I don't know, Lithuanian website or a different country. 1 second. I forgot. I bought it from somewhere. Let me see if I can find. You can buy straight from the manufacturer. The problem is they don't accept PayPal. Yeah, I bought it from here. I think. 1 second. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, let me show you. Because I see now. I seen it Chipset Pro, Lithuania. So I bought it from here because they were accepting PayPal. And I bought it with PayPal credit, if I remember. Yeah, so you have the SVOD, you have the adapters. So you can have the adapters and the SVOD like the way I have, 520. Yeah. So I have the IT board, ZFE IT, and ENE. Or, yeah, but it is more expensive. Yeah, I have these thingies. The thing is, I'm not using the SVOD for BIOS programming. I'm using the Revel Prog because I can adjust the voltage the way I want. You have the MacBook thingy. Yeah. So it's up to you from where you want to buy it. Bister, thank you very much for gifted sub. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. For me, saying 400 euros? Yeah, it depends. Look, this is not advertised, yeah? I have nothing to do with the people. Some friend recommend me this BIOS programmer, and I'm proper happy with this BIOS programmer. So if you want like a good BIOS programmer, yeah, this is the one. Revel Pro. That's what I'm using, and I'm proper happy with this. Yeah, you have a bunch of supported chips and stuff, software and everything. No, it's not. It's not advertised. No. Yeah, you can adjust the voltage, the output voltage, and also you have a protection. So you can set up. I think default is 100 milliamps, but I set up 200 milliamps. So whatever is over 200 milliamps, you have a protection. This is something what I will buy. This is a good tool. It's not advertised. I have nothing to do with the people. Nothing. Do you have BIOS pliers? I have the Pogo pins for SMD BIOS. I'm trying to buy your battery. It's not my battery analyzer. No, it's just a tool. I love it. That's all. And I have a deal with the guy, so I get like a coffee every time someone is buying, and then LBA is using my code. It's really expensive for me. Yeah, that's the sad reality. So it's worth for some people, not for everyone. It is a good tool. It's the only tool you can repair batteries. Huh. Hassan, I used CH314. I think it's 341. 314? Yeah. Anyway, but it's too slow. That's the thing. I mean, you can't stay like 1 hour to write a 16 megabit, memory. So yeah, that's the reason why I switch. Because otherwise, that CH was quite good, like compatibility wise. A Bravo, no, that's not gonna, it's not going to happen. Yeah, I have I have some plans to do it soon, but not on the beginner channels, on this channel. Yeah. Uh, I can't help you with this. You cannot know what's the problem there just, over the internet. Sebastian, good morning. Where can I find the Pogo pins? It's not for only for Revel Pro. You can use it with CH programmer. You can use it with SVOD. You can use it with what? I made a video from AliExpress. You can find them. AliExpress and AliExpress. Everything is here. Pogo pins. Yes, Savannah. Hmm? Um, I mean, I can see a lot, but I can't see the one I'm using. Hmm? No, nothing. Hmm? Strange. Wait. No bias. 1 second. Yeah, something like that. So I have something like that. Pogo pins. Or something like that. But why is it so expensive? Yeah, you have to do some research and see what you can find. Yeah, you know the search engine on AliExpress is proper weird, but definitely is something like that, and you can choose, right? Mm. Wait, this is something else. 1 second. I don't know. This is something else. It's a different type of connector. Yeah, it's not what we are looking for. Anyway, try to you know have a look. For SMD chips, yeah, for SMD. Otherwise, you can use the clamp for normal chips. Andrei Nata. I can't give you any advice about this fault. Laptop coming on in no picture, rebooting, restarting, can be anything. I can't give you an advice. I will not know how to fix mine. Probably have to check every coil, see the resistance, check every voltage, and I don't know. You can try a BIOS, probably not, but yeah, you can try that. You can see if you have like onboard RAM. The onboard RAM can have a problem. Yeah, but this is like what we are fixing, and we are good on fixing this kind of stuff. Everything like related with the power. But when you have faults on the digital communication, there is nothing that you can check. That's the thing. It's nothing. No, the oscilloscope, the multimeter, it will not help you because you don't know what the software is doing. Why don't you get phone for repairs? I wish I can tell you. Actually, I do have a board, a phone board for repair here. Yeah. Of course, you can replace. No term. Yeah. Um, of course. I mean, it will work. Even if you use like a wire, it will work. The only difference when you use different type of coils is the efficiency of that power supply, but you don't care about the efficiency. I'm using a different coil and that power supply is taking 50 milliamps more. Who cares? I have 3 BIOS chips on the board. Which one I should write? Pablo, I don't think you have 3 BIOS chips on the board. I think you have 3 memory chips. And usually one memory chip, which is 64, most likely, is from the Thunderbolt firmware, the PD controller firmware. So that one is on one side. Then you have the GPU firmware if it's a gaming laptop. Then you have the BIOS. Or you can have the BIOS and you can have, like we seen like 3 days ago, you can have the easy chip BIOS firmware. So yeah, every memory chip is doing something else. But usually the BIOS chip, the proper BIOS chip, is the one which has the bigger size. Yeah, you have like 128 to 256, something like that. But I seen a Dell board having like 6 memory chips there, which is insane. I think I made a video about that, like 6 memory chips. Oh, Dell XPS, but I don't remember the model. Yeah. So the bigger one on the size of the memory, yeah, not like the physical size. So guys, did you finish your coffee? Hmm? It's Sunday. It's the day we are doing whatever we want. Yeah. No matter what our wife are saying. Raining? Yeah, then probably it's better to go back to sleep. To see God and ask I can get more laptop repairs. You know, I wish I have more time so I can, go proper deep on the repairs. Spend more time on the repairs. Nicolae Neața, nu. Nu, îmi pare rău. Freedom, good morning. I think we should go and do something, right? No, definitely no barbecue today because it's cloudy. But we can have fun doing our stuff. Good morning. You have your coffee? Good. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna stop. Now, time for the third cup of coffee. Yeah, this is the third one. Perry, have a great Sunday. You too. You too. You too. I'm gonna try to upload even next week. I'm gonna try to upload like every day one video. When I have more time, I usually do more videos. Yeah. Oh, ai vrea și tu. Mulțumesc mult. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You don't have to. Thank you. Yeah. And I'm smoking a lot because I found some cheap cigarettes from the people bringing cigarettes from the other countries. I think are Polish cigarettes based on the writing. And I'm smoking a lot, like a packet per day. I was smoking a packet per day plus vape. Crazy. It's the addiction. Hard to control the addiction. What is your ham radio call sign? M0 Oscar Papa Alpha. You know what? I can't believe actually it was probably like 1 year. I haven't smoked at all, only vape. Yeah. Didi, no. She's not smoking. No. I left smoking after 25 years, now just vaping. I'm weak. I'm proper weak. Now I have an addiction with peanuts, and I'm eating peanuts every night. You can believe that? I fell on the addiction so quickly. I mean, no matter what, I'm not even touching whiskey because if I have like a bottle of whiskey, then I have to buy another bottle. I'm a weak person, a very weak person. No. I have addiction on Coca-Cola and yeah. Peanuts and beer. I smoke a lot too. Yeah. Yeah, I was doing 2 packets per day when I was in Romania before coming here. Yeah, they are cheap. The cigarettes are cheap there. I mean, it was cheap before. Not sure now. No, they are not cheap. No, because Diana bought me cigarettes when she came from holiday in Romania, and it was like a £5 per packet. Yeah, which is still expensive for a country like Romania. Any workout? Just lifting the vape. It's quite heavy, like a big battery inside, but not much more than that. I'm not sure. I don't smoke downhill. No, I'm smoking Sovereign Blue, British cigarettes. But now I found Winston. Winston is kind of like Sovereign Blue. Winston, Red Winston, or the gold one, which is saying red on the package. I don't know. Different country they have different version of Winston, and it's cheaper. Winston is cheap. Yeah. I was smoking Winchester, but no one is manufacturing Winchester anymore. Why we are speaking about addictions, man? Winston Blue I'm smoking now. I have 40 packets of Winston Blue, but they are lighter. They are lighter. They are lighter. I have 40 packets. 40, yeah, of Winston Blue. Red is just too much. Red is like, depends which red. The red from Romania, it's strong. Okay. But the cigarettes is getting gone quickly. Now I have Winston Red, which is gold, but it's saying red on the package. And the cigarettes are longer, are stronger, and I really love them. Probably I'll stick with that, with these ones, just because they're longer. Sydney, thank you very much. Thank you. Love rolling cigarettes. Yeah, I was rolling my cigarettes years ago, because you can buy tobacco and you can buy tubes, empty tubes, and you can buy the machines to make the cigarettes. What brand, Silvio? Smoking is dying out in the UK. I mean, a packet of cigarettes is like 14 pound, which is mad expensive. Yeah, if you smoke like one packet per day, is like 600-700 pounds per month, which is insane. It's very expensive here, very expensive. Don't try online casino. No, I have no problem with that. No. I will keep in mind, Sylvia. Thank you. Backwoods. Hmm. In India, here a cigarette is worth 10 cents. Bandy, you can send me a packet of cigarettes, right? Yeah. If every subscriber it will send me like one packet of cigarettes, then I will save a lot of money. Not sure how you people are watching YouTube, but I enjoy watching like any kind of repairs on poor countries. Yeah, like from Africa, from Asia, different kind of repairs, not necessarily electronic repairs. And it's impressive to see. It's impressive to see actually, the real repairs are there. Yeah, uh, it's insane. Yeah, I mean, the people. I don't think they realize how lucky they are. They are on that age. Yeah, doing the repairs. Because now looking back in time, I wish I can be back in time, or I wish I would be like them. Yeah, it's envy. Yeah, or envy. YouTube is a good school. It is probably the only school for repairs. They work with a small amount of money. Yeah, probably because being poor is pushing you to fix everything, like literally everything. Yeah, I know, I know that feeling. Tom Gravity, good morning. Most Africans now use TikTok. I don't know. The Facebook is advertising me that kind of video, or on YouTube I can see videos. Yeah, but mostly on Facebook. And you know what is strange? We are when we are watching from like we are smart, and these people are like they are on a different age, but it's not. They are a lot smarter compared with us. I mean, I was a lot smarter when I was younger, And I don't know. It's just, I don't think they realize how lucky they are, just being that poor and having that much fun. It's not much fun on what I'm doing. I mean, everything is repair based on the, on the how much time it will get. It's 5 more minutes. I have the diagnosis fee 25 pounds. I can spend like 10 minutes. More than that is no worth, and I can't do hard repairs. Kind of feel bad. Kind of feel bad. Have you tried tea than coffee? I have everyday tea in the morning. Yeah, I have tea with toasted bread and cheese. Even before the starting the live stream, Diana made me the breakfast. Andrei, Nasa, happy to see you here. Okay, guys, I finished my coffee. I think I will go now. 250 people having the coffee with me. I'm so proud. Um, Collins, one day I will be there. Don't worry, one day I will visit the world. One day. Just wait for that day. Thank you very much, Alwyn. Thank you. I will say thank you for being here and having a coffee with me. I'm gonna try to keep the schedule next week. Try to upload like every day one video. It's not like a competition. It's kind of slow with the jobs, and when it's slow with the jobs, I can afford to do videos with every job. So have a beautiful Sunday. Thank you for being here, having a coffee with me. Thank you for the gifted members. Um, yeah. See you probably tomorrow. I'm gonna upload a nice video tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you. See you on the next one. Yeah. Have a beautiful Sunday. Bye.